How to fix unstable internet connection on TikTok's camera sounds. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually fix unstable internet connection on TikTok sounds whenever you're trying to use a sound from TikTok. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So sometimes the issue could simply be that whenever you try to open up TikTok, you try to upload a video and then you try to upload a sound to that particular video, and then you simply notice that it says unstable internet connection. So in order to fix that, there are a couple of things we can do. First of all, simply long press on the eye icon next to TikTok and then tap on this I button, and then you want to go to storage. Once you go to storage, clear the cache, and you might also want to clear the data. Once you clear cache files and data, exit out of it. Now open up your Play Store. Once you open up your respective app store, just go ahead and then search for TikTok. And as you type in TikTok, you can see the update button right next to the TikTok app. I want you to simply go ahead and then update the TikTok app to the latest version. When you update the TikTok app, it is going to fix most of the bugs and issues which you faced in previous versions. And now you could reopen TikTok, relog into your account and see if that fixes the issue, because most likely it definitely would. And hopefully this video helped you. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.